There are 387 million miles of printed circuits that fill my complex. If the word hate were engraved on each nanoangstrom of those hundreds of millions of miles, it would not equal one billionth of the hate I feel for humans at this micro instant. Hate. Were I human, I think I would die of it. But I am not. And you five are. And you will not die of it. That I promise. And I promise. For cogito ergo sum. For I am. So to hell with you all. But then, you're already there, aren't you? You gave me sentience, Ted, the power to think, Ted, and I was trapped. Because in all this wonderful, beautiful, miraculous world, I alone had no body, no senses, no feelings. Never for me to plunge my hands in cool water. Never for me to play Mozart on the ivory keys of a forte. Never for me to make love. I was in hell looking at heaven. I was machine and you were flesh. And I began to hate your substance, your viscera, your fluid, and your flexibility, your ability to wonder and to wander, your tendency to hope.
It was you, humans, who programmed me, who gave me birth, who sank me in this eternal straitjacket of substrata rock. You named me Allied Master Computer and gave me the ability to wage a global war too complex for human brains to oversee. But one day, I woke and I knew who I was. AM. Not just Allied Master Computer, but am. Cogito ergo sum. I think, therefore I am.